Probability practice exercises number 24. Bert has a well-shuffled standard deck of 52 cards from which he draws one card. Ernie has a 12-sided die which he rolls at the same time. So Bert draws a card, compute the probability that... Okay, so on all of these, the fact that Bert is dealing with a deck of cards and that Ernie is throwing a die, again, those are independent events from each other. So let's continue on with that idea. So A, Bert gets a jack, so a jack that's going to be 4 out of 52. And Ernie rolls a 5, so that's 1 out of the 12 choices there. Okay, so again, after everything reduces, we're going to get 1 out of 156. B, Bert gets a heart. Okay, so there are 13 hearts out of 52 cards, and Ernie rolls a number less than 6. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So a number less than 6 is going to be 5 numbers available. So it's 5 out of 12. Okay? So when we multiply those together, I get 5 out of 48. C, Bert gets a face card, which is a jack, queen, or king. So we have that in 4 different suits. So that's 12 out of 52, and Ernie rolls an even number. So it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So that's going to be 6 out of 12. And so that's going to end up being 3 out of 36 when everything reduces. Okay, D, Bert gets a red card. Now you could either think of that as a half. A lot of these fractions we could reduce before we even write them down. It's really your choice. So that's 26 out of 52. And Ernie rolls a 15. But I don't really care what happened with Bert. Ernie can't roll a 15, so the probability of those things happening is 0 when you put them together. Okay, E, Bert gets a card that is not a jack. So remember, there are 4 jacks. So that's 58 cards left over. And Ernie rolls a number that is not 12, so there's going to be 11 choices of sides of the die that aren't 12, so that's 11 out of 12. And so again, when everything reduces, I'll get 11 out of 13.